Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a flasher. And a flasher looks like this. Now this is kind of a complex model. So I'm not really going to be teaching, I am going to be teaching a flasher, but not this one. I'm going to show you an easier version of this. It still works, it's the same. It's just easier, that's it. And it's less cooler. For this one, I used a red paper from construction paper. If you saw my flapping bird tutorial, you probably saw my construction paper book. So I teared a page red and I made this with that. So I'm going to show you how to fold it from an 8x8 grid instead of a 16x16 grid. And this is just a normal white paper from a package from A4. And I cut it square. If you don't know how to cut a paper into a square, I taught that tutorial in the flapping bird. So I'm gonna teach you how to make it without teaching how to make the square. So let's start off any side up if you're using Kami. And let's fold in half. And unfold. And now fold these bottom two edges to here. Rotate and fold this corner to here. And fold this edge right to there. And make it sharply. And when you're doing this, you want to make it exact because you don't want any parts to be any bigger or smaller. And this should be in any model. Now, I'm not saying just this model, any model. Otherwise, your square grid will not be squares. It's probably like a rectangle grid or whatever. So what we did, if you didn't see, I'm going to show you. You fold it in half, fold these edges to here, fold in here, turn over, and fold these edges to here, turn over, and just fold it in half, and just fold really sharply on both sides, and unfold everything. Now we're going to do the same thing this direction. So, I'm going to really show you in detail. So you fold it in half. Fold it in half, and when you're folding in half, don't try to just see. Sometimes the paper will try to get small. Then see, this corner will pass this corner. Okay, so spread it out and crease. Fold the two edges in. Okay, now fold these edges to here. And if you make the creases, those creases, the other creases like this, then you will see that all of these are squares. Now, see? Square, 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 square. 8 squares. Now you gotta make 8 squares like this. So just fold. You see? Now don't stop here. As you can see, there are still these, and when you unfold, see, we still have to do some creases. So, as you can see, I already showed you this. So, turn over and fold these edges to here, all layers. Okay? All layers. And now you don't need to do this. You can unfold everything now, but just fold in half and reinforce and unfold everything. Now we have our 8x8 grid. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 in this section, 8 in this section. So we only actually need a 7x7. So turn over and fold both edges to here. If you're using Kami, the white side will have yellow here. That's fine. Okay, now turn it. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just find the middle square. Now, the middle square is just see. Now, if you want to actually see, turn over and let's just let's fold this here and then just see. And then actually let's unfold here and fold in half in this direction. Okay. And unfold and fold these back. Don't rabbit ear them, just fold them. Okay. Now, well, this is the middle square. It doesn't really go right there. But you will see when you just fold it in half right there, you can pinch on the middle. There you go. There's it. So now you're going to pinch the square plus the right of the square. Means, see, this is the square, so you gotta pinch it. But also the part where this comes down. But you're only gonna pinch on the right of that square. You're not gonna pinch on the left. Well, you can pinch on the left, but you're gonna have a flasher that that does not spin in that direction. It means it spins in an opposite direction. So fold on right of each sides of a square. So right here, right here. So pinch you right of the square. Now see, this is forming, but here, look at this, it's only 3. But because I didn't do 4, if you forgot the 4th one, then you're gonna have some virtual problems. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now you have this right here. This thing right here. And as you can see already, it's starting to just spin when you pull. That's what you want. Now, fold this mountain to this mountain. You can crease it all the way, but I like to crease it only one square, not above 4 anywhere. Just to that square and do it like this. So you're going to just pinch it, fold it like this, and then pinch it like that. Okay, so it looks like that. So look at this, mountain, valley, mountain, and we're gonna do the same thing with this side. So I'm gonna do it a little bit faster because I think you already get the point of it. Now few layers you will see one hardness, few layers you won't see any hard, because as you can see when I turn it over, here is the flaps that we folded. That's fine, that is normal, that's good, that's great. Okay, well, okay, great. So we're actually almost done. We're gonna pinch. And now we're basically done. You just have to take the corner and just push them like that and just wrap the sides around. So just make the creases good. You don't want them bad, and then just make them. And you'll see one kind of hat thingy where you can put your finger. You can be spinning on your finger. Pretty cool, right? So and it's kind of like, see, as you can see, there's a square, but here is not a proper square. This means the square is not aligning with here. That's fine. We're still done. It just works like this. This is from the front side, from the back. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make the origami flasher. I know it was I'm not really sure. It's kind of intermediate, but it's intermediate, between easy and intermediate, and it's the easiest kind of flasher I know. I don't even know any flasher that's easier than this. I do know one thing that is kind of difficulter than this. It's this one that I show in the intro. But this one is way easier, way cooler. Not cooler, but cool. And if you want, you can literally reverse fold. I'm gonna have one tutorial on how to make a basic, how to make reverse folds, squash folds. That will be coming soon. So get ready. So all the reverse folds are in my origami flapping board. So subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and leave a like on this video. Bye.